Welcome back to Craft Wilder DIY. Today, we're witnessing something truly legendary. We're deep diving into a build by the master himself, Vitaly Khoriton. Can you even imagine? We're looking at a 3-month intense renovation journey of an abandoned house, all compressed into an incredible 10-minute masterclass. This property was picked up for just $5,000 in the United States, which, let's be honest, is an absolute steal in today's real estate market. But as we're about to see, a low price tag means a massive amount of work. The transformation kicks off with the purge. Every bit of trash and debris is cleared out to reclaim the space. Vitaly doesn't cut corners. He's carefully removing the old, worn-out floors that just don't fit the new vision. They stripped the walls and the ceiling right down to the bones, eliminating outdated materials to make way for a clean, fresh, and modern floor plan. Once the slate was clean, the real structural work began. They replaced the damaged subflooring with OSB boards, precision cut for a perfect fit to ensure long-term stability and durability. Now, here's a pro tip they followed, using bleach to deep clean the floors and walls. It's not just about removing grime, it's about sanitizing the environment, killing harmful bacteria, and neutralizing odors to ensure the home is healthy and fresh. Then comes the unsexy but vital part of any high-quality renovation, the infrastructure. We see the wiring being updated and a brand new gas water heater being installed for maximum efficiency. Outside, they've secured the gutters along the roofline to protect the foundation from rainwater, a move that adds years to the building's life. With the foundation solid, it was time for the skin. Drywall went up on the walls and ceilings, creating those smooth, finished surfaces we all love. In projects like this, quality materials are the difference between a quick flip and a forever home. Even when challenges popped up, you can see that safety and skilled craftsmanship remained the priority. The mudding process followed, flawlessly smoothing out seams and imperfections. They used Kill's original primer on the basement walls, a legendary choice for sealing stains and prepping for a perfect paint job. They even took the time to restore the original windows, sealing gaps and replacing glass to bring back both function and character. As we move into the finishing stages, the interior doors are aligned and hung. And that fresh coat of paint finally brings the rooms to life. And let's talk about that flooring, hardwood. It adds an undeniable elegance and warmth with those natural wood grains, creating a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. To wrap up the floors, they added baseboards that really pull the whole design together. The bathroom transformation is a highlight, meticulously cleaned, leveled, and tiled with perfect alignment. They installed a sleek vanity, a new basin, and a modern toilet with all the proper plumbing connections. Custom cabinets were then built for the kitchen and living areas to maximize every inch of storage. Even the basement got a thorough wash to prepare it for future use. Outside, they installed a beautiful wooden fence, not just for privacy and security, but as a sustainable, eco-friendly boundary that boosts the home's curb appeal. The final touch, clearing the backyard to create a functional, open, outdoor living space. The result is nothing short of breathtaking. Vitaly took a forgotten structure and turned it into a high-value, energy-efficient, and visually stunning home. This is strategic layout planning at its finest, making the space feel massive and inviting. If you want more insights and those gritty behind-the-scenes details, make sure you subscribe to Vitaly Khoriton YouTube channel. And if you're as obsessed with smart craftsmanship and legendary transformations as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button for Craft Wilder DIY. We bring you the most technical deep dives and wilder builds from across the globe to help you level up your own projects and build with confidence. For more deep dives into legendary builds like this, keep it locked right here. What part of this 5K flip impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments.